Welcome everyone. Today we're looking at the highly anticipated 2026 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead concepts. These bikes blend classic styling with modern engineering.
Harley-Davidson Knucklehead. This is not just a motorcycle. This is a resurrection of one of the most iconic names ever etched into motorcycling history. Reborn for a modern generation while staying fiercely loyal to its roots. The moment your eyes land on the 2026 Knucklehead, there's an instant emotional reaction. It looks like a rolling piece of heritage, but not a museum relic. This bike feels alive. The silhouette is unmistakable, with that classic teardrop fuel tank, exposed mechanical beauty, and bold engine fins that proudly echo the original Knucklehead DNA. Yet everything feels sharper, cleaner, and more purposeful. The metal finishes are rich and deep, the paintwork is layered and luxurious, and the balance between raw steel and refined craftsmanship is simply stunning. The round LED headlamp keeps the vintage shape but hides modern illumination within, while the minimal rear fender and clean tail section give the bike a muscular, timeless stance. It doesn't shout for attention, it commands respect. From the moment you see it, you understand this bike is built for riders who value authenticity, character, and presence above all else. Asterisk at the heart of the 2026 Knucklehead lies a thoroughly modern yet emotionally charged power plant, a newly developed air oil-cooled 1350cc V-twin. Inspired by Harley's classic architecture, but engineered for modern reliability and performance. This engine delivers around 95 horsepower and an earth-moving 120 pounds-ft of torque. And it's not about chasing high RPMs, it's about that deep, satisfying pull that starts the moment you crack the throttle. In real-world riding, the Knucklehead feels immensely strong and composed. You don't rush this engine. You ride it on torque, letting the power roll in smoothly and confidently. The exhaust note is deep, mechanical, and unmistakably Harley, a sound that feels alive, breathing, and connected to every combustion stroke. On city streets, it's relaxed and commanding, while on open roads, it settles into a steady, authoritative rhythm that makes long rides feel effortless. There's a beautiful honesty to the way this engine delivers power. No drama, no aggression. Just pure mechanical muscle doing exactly what it's meant to do. Asterisk. Handling on the 2026 Knucklehead is far more refined than you might expect from a bike that wears such a classic badge. Harley-Davidson has engineered a modern steel frame that preserves the old-school riding feel while adding rigidity and balance where it matters most. The suspension setup consists of premium front forks and a discreetly tuned rear shock system designed to absorb road imperfections without compromising stability. On winding roads, the Knucklehead feels planted and predictable. It's not a sport bike, and it doesn't try to be, but it leans confidently, holds its line, and responds smoothly to rider input. The weight is well distributed, making low-speed maneuvering surprisingly easy, while highway stability is rock solid. Braking is handled by powerful disc brakes with ABS, offering reassuring stopping power without feeling intrusive. The bike feels heavy in the right way, substantial, grounded, and reassuring, like it's carved from solid metal rather than assembled from parts. Asterisk. Technology on the 2026 Knucklehead is thoughtfully integrated, never overpowering the bike's vintage soul. A compact, round digital analog hybrid gauge sits neatly above the tank, blending classic needle styling with a subtle digital display that shows speed, gear position, fuel level, and ride mode. Bluetooth connectivity allows for smartphone pairing, navigation prompts, and music control, but everything is designed to stay out of your way while riding. Ride modes include road, rain, and heritage, each subtly adjusting throttle response and traction control without changing the bike's core character. There's traction control, cornering ABS, and cruise control, but Harley has tuned these systems to feel natural and invisible, enhancing safety without ever stealing the raw riding experience. This is technology done right, present when you need it, invisible when you don't. Asterisk comfort is where the Knucklehead truly surprises. The seat is wide, supportive, and beautifully finished, designed for long hours in the saddle without fatigue. The riding position is upright and relaxed, with mid-mounted foot pegs and handlebars positioned to reduce strain on the wrists and shoulders. Wind exposure is part of the experience, but airflow is smooth and natural, making highway cruising comfortable rather than tiring. The fuel tank is generously sized, giving the Knucklehead an impressive cruising range that encourages long, uninterrupted rides. This is a bike built for journeys, not just short rides to the cafe, but real miles, real roads, and real memories. Asterisk, and just when you think it couldn't get more special, Harley-Davidson unveils a surprise, the 2026 Knucklehead Founders Edition. This limited production variant is a love letter to Harley's earliest days. Featuring hand-finished paint, unique engine badging, wire-spoke wheels, and premium leather detailing crafted by Harley's custom division. The Founders Edition also includes a tuned exhaust system with a richer, more pronounced note and upgraded suspension components for an even smoother ride. Each unit is individually numbered, making it not just a motorcycle, but a collector's piece, something to be ridden proudly and cherished deeply. Asterisk. So who is the 2026 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead really for? This bike is for riders who value soul over speed, character over competition, and experience over specifications. It's for those who understand that motorcycling is not just about getting from point A to point B, but about the feeling in between. It's perfect for seasoned riders who appreciate Harley history, for enthusiasts who want something meaningful and timeless, and for anyone who believes a motorcycle should have a heartbeat. This is not a bike for everyone, and that's exactly what makes it special. Asterisk. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Knucklehead is expected to start at around $21,999 USD, reflecting its premium build, heritage value, and modern engineering. The Founders Edition comes in higher, at approximately $26,500 USD, justified by its limited production, exclusive components, and collector-grade craftsmanship. This isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in legacy, emotion, and pure riding satisfaction. Asterisk, every time you start the Knucklehead, you're reminded why motorcycles matter. The vibration, the sound, the feel, it all connects you to a century of riders who believed in freedom, individuality, and the open road. The 2026 Knucklehead doesn't try to reinvent history, it honors it, refines it, and invites you to be part of it. This is more than a revival. It's a celebration of what motorcycling has always been about. This is Bike Zone signing off. Ride safe and never stop exploring.